Good morning, my lovely student. Welcome to your science class. Student, after completing lesson 1, today we will start lesson 2, that is parts of plant. Okay. So student, you know plants are living thing. Now let's start the Now student, lesson 2, parts of a plant. Parts of plants. Okay. Now in this chapter we will study about the root system, the shoot system, germination, how plants are useful to us. Okay, now let's start. Identify the different plant parts from the clues given below and fill in the blanks. Okay, now you can see. First, I am often the most colorful part of the plant. The most colorful part of the plant is flower. Now, flower. Okay. I make food for the plant and I am green in color. Okay. Now, answer is leaf. Okay, you can see this is leaf. I am edible and I protect the seeds. Answer is fruit. Now, I help the plant produce new plants. Then answer is seed. Okay. I support the plant and I am green or brown in color. Now that is stem. I am below the ground and brown in color. Now this is root. Okay. Now student, we all know that plants play an important role in our life. There are different types of plants found all around us. However, each plant has two major systems, the root system and the shoot system. Let us study about them. Now student, you must have seen different kinds of plants around school, houses and different places. Every plant is different from other plants in terms of shape, size and color. Some plants are big, some are small, some plants are weak and some are strong. A plant has different kind of parts. Okay. So student, a plant has different kind of parts. Each and every part combined and helps plant to survive and help it to grow. Okay. So there are two main parts of a plant. First is root. Okay. And second is shoot. Student, I will make you understand root and shoot through this diagram. Okay, you can see this is ground. Okay, this is ground. The part which is under the ground, that is root. Okay, under the ground, that is root. Okay, and second portion is shoot, and part which is above the ground, that is shoot. Okay, and student, what kind of parts are there in the shoot system? Yes, there are stem. Okay, now stem, leaf, fruit, flower, buds. Now student, the root system. The root system of a plant includes its roots. The roots of a plant are present below the ground. Okay, now below the ground. Okay, they hold the plant in the soil and absorb water and other nutrients from the soil. Okay, roots are of two types, tap roots and fibrous root. So student, type of root, there are two types of root. Okay, first tap root and second is fibrous root. Okay, now first is tap root. Tap root is the main thick root that grows from the base of the stem. This thick root goes deep inside the soil. Many small roots grow from this main thick root. Plants such as carrot, radish, turnip, beans and mustard have tap roots. Okay, so student, you can see this is tap root, diagram of tap root. So in a tap root, one thick root, okay, one thick root grows from the end point of the stem. Then from this thick roots, many small roots, okay, many small roots develop. Example of tap roots are, radish, carrot, mustard, hibiscus, people, tomato, etc. Okay. Now student, second, fibrous root. Fibrous root consists of a bunch of thin and bushy roots that grow together from the base of the stem. Plants such as grass, rice, wheat and onion have fibrous root. So student, in fibrous root, this is diagram of fibrous root. Okay, so in fibrous root, many roots are developed from the end of the stem. Okay, many roots are developed from the end of the stem. Okay, so example of fibrous roots are grass, wheat, onion and sugarcane. Okay, now student, functions of roots. Roots are an important part of the plant. The main function of the roots are given below. First, they hold the plant firmly in the soil. So student, plants remains uplifted in the soil with the help of root. Roots are like humans' feet. The way humans stands on their feet, likewise plant stands on its root. Okay, roots prevents plant from falling. Okay, student, roots bind the soil and prevent it to be washed away by the flow of water and wind, thus help in preventing soil erosion at an effective level. Okay, now second, they absorb water and minerals from the soil. So student, thus a plant absorbs water and minerals from soil through roots and transport to the other parts like stem, leaves, flower, etc. Okay, now third, some roots also store food in them. For example, carrot, radish, beetroot and turnip. So roots of some plant store food in them. Thereby human eats these roots. Okay, example of such roots are carrot, radish, sweet potato, turnip and beetroot. Student, you all can see in this picture turnip and carrot store food in their roots and we consume it, and these are also used in making salads. So student, today I have explained about roots. Hope it will be clear. Now homework, learn, read today's topic carefully. Have a nice day. Thank you.